how to boost high or low frequency with sound amplifier on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on Play Store app. Now here, so click on the search icon and search sound amplifier. So after click on sound amplifier, so make sure install app and click on open. So after click on open, click on headphone mic. So scroll down, you will see booster, boost high or low frequencies here. So if you want to high or low boost frequency, so you will see you will high frequency from here. So if you want to low frequency, so low from here. So after adjusting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can how to boost high or low frequency with sound amplifier on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.